Welcome. The Google team is excited to let you know that Google has refreshed the user interface for Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. I'm sure you've noticed a new look and feel for those applications. So let's go ahead and dive deeper about all these improvements that have been made in these applications. We're first going to talk about doc editors. What are doc editors? Docs, sheets, and slides. And there have been many improvements in doc editors. The first improvement we're going to talk about is the simplified user interface. The simplified user interface, or an updated material design, has taken place in all doc editors. So we're just going to briefly talk about the material design update. You will see a lot more blue in circles and ovals, less squares and rectangles. You'll notice in the toolbar there is the blue overlay appearing as well. You will also see a blue overlay when you make comments and etc. One thing I want to make note of is sometimes maybe some of the menu items will have changed as well. So to go up to the help menu and start typing in the action that you want to do. So in this example, I want to print. I could type in the keyword print and find exactly how to print and so much more. If that doesn't really help you, always select the item that you're trying to do something with. You can always right click as well, and you will see options to do what you can with that particular item selected. With that, the other thing that has changed in all doc editors is not only the blue overlay and the material design, is that you will find a new revision history button up at the top. If you hover over that revision history button, you will see the last time it was edited. In this case, it was 32 minutes ago by Trainer 13. But not only that does it tell you the last time it was edited, you can also click on that button and that will take you directly to the hidden gem, which is version history. So again, a really nice quick way to access the version of that particular document. So if you're managing your versions or want to see what was done on this particular document, that is the place to go. So again, all these things I just showed you is available in all doc editors. Again, docs, sheets, and slides. But I also want to take the time to go ahead and show you what it looks like in Sheets so you can see the visual differences as well. As you can see, I'm currently in Sheets, and one of the things that I like in Sheets is if I highlight an item, it has a nice highlighted blue for you to know exactly what you have selected. That is much easier on the eyes and easier to determine what you have selected. Again, I strongly encourage you to check out the help. I strongly encourage you to make sure you know what the version history is as well within Sheets. Let's just take a quick tour to Slides just to make sure we know what has changed in Slides as well. Again, you have the new look and feel with the blue overlay, the version history, and the commenting as well. So again, a nice visual update for doc editors. Now we're going to go ahead and navigate to Google Drive. Now that we're in Google Drive, you will also see the material design update has taken place here as well. Not only that, you have more key actions that can take place quick and easy. For example, if you hover over an item, you will see that you have some hover action items that you can select from, such as share, download, rename, star, and then you find the three dots, which in Google means ... Google's got more for you. In this case, you can take further action with the pop-up window. The other thing that you have within Google Drive is you have a new selection box, very similar to Gmail. You click on the box, you can see then you can select multiple items as you're familiar with in Gmail. So then you can take action on multiple items. So with that, I wanted to give you the key shortcut for that is always, if you have multiple items selected, don't forget to right click on those three selected items in my demonstration. In this case, you will be able to open with, share, move to, add, change color, and etc. So again, that new selection checkbox will make it easier to select multiple files in batch. The other thing that I want to point out is you do not have the preview button up at the top right hand corner that you're kind of used to seeing. No worries, let's go ahead and go to a doc and you'll notice there is no easy preview button. I hope Google changes that. I do like the preview button, easy and accessible, but you still have it with a right click option. You can right click and choose preview, and that will give you the preview look if you do not want to open it up in the original app itself, such as doc editors or open with concept. So that is nice as well. Just be aware of that change. But again, you have the hover actions as well that you're used to in Gmail. One item that is not here yet, but should be shortly, so look for it in the future, is additional search chips. With that being said, maybe you're unfamiliar with search chips. So if I type in the keyword up here, demo in the example, and I'm looking for a document or a folder with the word demo, you already have search chips available, and this should be in our domain. But you have options to search by file type, people, last modified, and etc. There's a great Search Ninja video on our YouTube channel if you want to learn more how to be an efficient searcher. With that, some of these, such as file type, owner, and last modified, will be a default search chip option to be appearing in your My Drive. So you'll have it right when you click on My Drive. Those search chips will be there for you directly in this interface. So look for that soon. That should be showing up in our domain very shortly. As I finish this video, I strongly encourage you to check out the description below to learn more about this amazing update. Thank you.